I was at home getting ready to welcome my future daughter-in-law and her infant daughter, soon to be born, within weeks. And I smelled a musty smell. I was nervous, so I called Paul Davis Restoration. They rolled into the driveway almost within the hour and conducted testing to see if what I was smelling was indeed something to be concerned about. Unfortunately, it was. And so they started the process immediately.
Dr. Kerr's project required a little bit of extra attention due to an incoming grandbaby. So we actually completed this project for the mold remediation part in about a little over a week.
Our role was to assess all the construction materials that were removed during the mold remediation. This project was a rush, so I went out and got a repair estimate up pretty quickly.
Everything was handled so professionally and quickly, I couldn't believe it. They were honest, hardworking. They would always check in with me, let me know where the work was, check in to see what we had heard from the doctor. So it began to be almost like a family.
I love this work. I love helping people. I did it for 22 years in the military as an inspector general as well. So whenever a project comes to completion, the way it feels for us is we've done our job and we've done it well.
It's always so disconcerting when your home is undergoing a massive repair like that, but the expertise and the care and the communication was second to none. This is the best company for this type of work, and they will always be at the top of my gratitude list going forward.